it's me again. Before I even start this, subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Yes, this is the weekly What's New. What's New? Weekly What's New. I'm working on finishing the kitchen bench, aka the surfboard. I made a jig. I'll be popping up the video this week. All the kitchen build is all going up as I do it, and I'll throw in other videos in the process. In the same process, I made a new video using my Roper Whitney punch. I realized I gotta order a new punch because the punch is acting freaking weird. I don't know, I think it unscrewed or something. But anyway, that's acting a little odd. And what else? And in order to finish the kitchen bench that I'm building, I needed to use my Wen bandsaw. So I have another video coming out of me modifying the bandsaw so I can use it on my bench or hang it up somewhere. So that's coming along. I'm trying to figure out some like universal mount, but you know what? I don't think I like the universal mount idea. I want it to mount to this bench or clamp somewhere. So, but I have a video. If I made a little plate, I'm going to make another little plate and another little plate and weld all the little plates together. But I'm getting ready to make the jig. What else is new? Summer's here. The lighting here still sucks. That light bar's still in the way, or I could look like I'm from the sun. I've got 377 subscribers this week. It'll probably be back down to 371 because yo YouTube. What else? I'm also on Rumble in case anybody wants to go there and add some rumbles. I have a TikTok account, Kanawagi, Utah. It's just posting videos telling you to go back to YouTube. And that's pretty much it. I got like a couple of things going. It's getting nice out. I could stay in here late and shit's getting done again. So as soon as I get going, and I'll pop the garage door open, I'll do some welding, and maybe I'll get a real suntan instead of from these lights. So stay tuned to the channel, and I also have a hibachi I'll be fixing in a couple of weeks. I got a few other things that I'm going to get out of here. I got a pile of steel that's got to go. What else did I get? Yeah, that's it. Basically, right now I'm working on getting this freaking bandsaw on the bench where I can use it. During the day, if I'm here all during the day, I'll use the chop saw because it's loud and obnoxious and it cuts good. But when I'm here late at night, bandsaw is nice and it's not quiet, but it's quieter, and seeing sparks fly 50 feet out the back, there's less sparks. It works. And I don't really do a lot of cutting at night. So normally I'll come in here during the day, I'll cut up all the pieces, and I'll either like quietly sit out there in the summer and weld at night, or I'll take my TIG welder, which I'm not very good at, and I'll just tack weld it all together and finish it up with the MIG welder. I don't do a lot of TIGging. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget, smash the subscribe button. I know 90, well, now it's about a little higher than 90. About 80% of yous are random people that watch the channel. Don't become random. Just click the help us out and subscribe. Toodles.